Hello to all my friends out there. And this is chatting on the subject of laundry. Okay, I did laundry videos last week, but I'm not done chatting. Okay, now I bought this for 99 cents. I'm adding a half cup to every load of laundry I do because it occurred to me that one way you can pick up germs, bacteria, insects, roaches is on your clothes. And so what I do, and I told you guys this, if it's anything that might possibly be soiled, I rinse it out in the tub. But we have here a sink. Most laundromats do. And you could go through the hems of your pants and rinse them in the laundry room. You know, they're heavy when they're wet. But what I do is, if you have been following me, you hear the freeway. And so the freeway causes a lot of dirt and soot, so I get it on the hems of my pants. But the bigger issue is one time I was in Houston, Texas. And, I mean, it is so awful there as far as the heat. And people were walking by, like hundreds of people, and from the knee down, their legs were covered with scars. And at the time, I assumed those scars were probably fleas. And I thought, well, I know someone who went to Vietnam, and she showed me the flea bites when she got back. And I screamed. I literally screamed. I was horrified. But now I'm thinking strong possibility those could have been bed bugs. So what I do is, okay, you might pick up germs and bacteria in the air. And my mom is old and she goes to church, and I said, if somebody sits next to you that appears sick at all, pretend you have to go to the bathroom, leave, and when you come back, don't sit by them, move. Or if you're like in a public place and people are coughing and seem sick, move out of that area. I mean, don't let yourself be exposed. The other thing is food handling. About a week ago, I'm pretty sure my son had a bad case. Most of the time they say when you have have the flu, you really have food poisoning. So just make sure, you know, like I told my son, think back and don't ever eat there again. I mean, the first time is the last time. And then as far as clothes, you know, one of the things that can really, you know, cause germs is your clothes. And so if you have a lot of dirty clothes, keep them outside or bag them up in garbage bags and tie them shut. Most of the time, you know, with my swap meet inventory and stuff, I keep them in garbage bags, and my friend Audrey told me, keep them in garbage bags and put them out in the sun. That way, if there's anything in there, it will kill them. And I thought that was a really good idea. But I think this is to be had cheap. It's not worth, you know, getting a bad case of anything because it's very bad. You know, it's very expensive to get rid of it. So I'll start out with the all fabric bleach, and I noticed my clothes did seem cleaner. Then I'll put my clothes in. I use the hot water setting, and then I get all the clothes covered with water. I put a double amount of detergent, and then I agitate a few minutes, and then I let them sit for 10 minutes because a lot of people say it's not necessary. But I think if you let your bleach set 10 minutes, and you might be saying, well, I don't feel like rinsing my clothes out or, you know, scrubbing the crotches of my underwear. Now, I wear mini pads, and I still, sorry if there's men, but I still don't want germs, any germs on my clothes, on my socks, on my pants, on my shirt, on my bras. That's gross. So, okay, so this is more input on laundry. And another thing, if your laundry is fairly clean, you can wash a bigger load, and that's going to save you money and time. You know, one of the things I hate laundry. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.